All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
I did find my candy petals from
Oh, did you? I'll drop in right over here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
What's that?
This is great.
Yeah. No, that's where you come out. Totally gonna get a little trail so
Yeah.
far, man.
Yeah, I would say so. Well, that wasn't the line.
Yeah, I followed you. I agree. Shout out to all you folks watching SD Cycling.
There you go.
The free beer
That's funny.
road extravaganza on the east side.
That's funny. Hang on.
Not bad.
Just got to do a minor adjustment. All right, you ready? You want to lead or me?
Yeah. Let's see. What was it?
It's this way, Brad. Isn't it this way? Yeah. Hey, trail maintenance. I love it.
New bridge.
I love it.
Nice. Practice your skinny riding here, okay?
Right? We can go down over here, I think. Awesome, guys. Thanks for doing that.
One of your projects? Eagle Scout, congratulations. That's all right. Yep. Smile and say cheese. Thanks for helping the trails.
No. Cool, man.
Got it.
Okay.
I coordinate between scouts.
Yeah.
It's a win-win. You know, they get a great service project.
Yeah.
And Corps gets a bridge for free.
Yeah, that's great.
You know.
That's awesome.
So yeah.
That looks very substantive too.
Yeah. Well, the other thing is, you know, they're built to last a long time. So they're not going to be the wood's not sitting in the dirt.
Yep.
Yeah.
The only part that's in the dirt is the end blocking, and we got that covered with roof coating, and then we'll put a layer of gravel in there. So
Yeah, that's awesome.
last a long time. Yeah, the bridges out here are awesome.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Seems like you do like one a year. Feels like.
I got 6 projects going right now.
Really?
Now, they may not all happen this year, but I got 6 scout projects actively going. One of them's a bench project.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah,
It's very cool.
yeah,
Good.
Ginger, she's gonna be running out of bridges for my scouts here pretty soon.
Yeah. Good. No, thank you for doing
The kind
that.
of problem she likes to have.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, Steve.
It's all right.
Now back to our regular programmed.
Regular programming, scheduled programming.
Let's just practicing the cyclocross, huh? Those of you that thought I was being lazy up that hill, it's called cyclocross practice, folks. You go off the bike, and you run it a bit faster. At that point, because I was falling too close, running quicker and faster. If you're an English major and worried about my English, run on a bike.
Oh, this is perfect, dude.
Yes,
I mean, the weather is just spectacular too. You know it?
70 degrees.
Man.
First day of June, Southeast Ohio. Oh, I can be tricky.
Yeah, with that vine hanging over.
I don't know if you guys can see that on the old camera, but quite a nice body hump. About as high as your feet can go. Oh, it's climbing the way. Yeah, I can get home.
Damn, those cicadas are loud, aren't they?
Yeah.